it's a non-challenge here in Amethi. There's a long-term relationship here, and it's a very deep relationship.
Apart from that, he's said a lot of things about your family. Does all of that upset you, including your late father?
Well, I'd be very worried if someone like Narendra Modi ji was praising me. I think the fact that he holds a certain amount of anger and has a particular way of looking at things. These are his issues. These are not my issues. My issue here is to try and help the development of this constituency and help the people. And I've said already many times that for me this election is about trying to ensure jobs for young people. It is about trying to bring women into governance, bring women into different areas of expertise. It is about preparing a minimum floor for poor people, the right to health that we've discussed, that I've spoken about, and the right to shelter, the right to a house, pension. So that's our economic vision. It's about a partnership between industry and the poor people of this country, so that we can use the strengths of both these forces. That's very different than the vision proposed by our opposition, which is basically to hand over the wealth of this country to one or two individual businessmen. That is what we're against.
नरेंद्र मोदी के आने के बाद जो लोगों में एक उत्साह जगा है, लोगों को जो राजनीति पर से विश्वास खत्म हो रहा था, और खास करके जो 20 से 25 से 30 साल तक के लड़के हैं, यंग एज हैं, वो ये पार्ट फ्रॉम कास्ट लाइन को छोड़ करके वो क्या कहते हैं, उनके दिमाग में एक आशा किरण जगी है। तो 4-5 साल का मामला है, क्यों नहीं आप होने देते हो? 5 साल के बाद जज कर।
It's a straight battle with Lalu Yadav. If anyone has a confusion that I'm fighting Rabdi Devi, she is a simple housewife, a nice lady. She's been just made a candidate because Mr. Lalu Prasad Yadav can't contest.
आज तक अमेठी में इतना मतदान नहीं हुआ था। लगातार पोलिंग बूथ पर जनता ही जनता दिखाई दे रही है। युवा निकल आया है बाहर, और यही प्रतीक है कि झाड़ू चल गई अमेठी में।